The Ask About Clots campaign is really important because hopefully it will prevent another family going through what we've had to go through. At the time I knew hardly anything about clots. I just associated with flying and people over 40. It was only when the coroner phoned up and told me what it was, I had to Google it, and that's when it started to come to light. Claire was really friendly, bubbly person. She developed a cold, and it was round about the time when there was bad bouts of flu going round. She went to the doctors and they sent her away with some antibiotics, and then in the February or March time she started developing breathlessness, and she nearly passed out. And then one Sunday she actually phoned me up, she said, "Mum, can you take me to the hospital?" And basically she struggled to get from the car to the hospital entrance. We went through the symptoms of what she had. He said that she had an inflammation of the chest wall, and he sent her away saying take some ibuprofen and some paracetamol. And then the last time I saw her was the Easter weekend on the Saturday night, where we basically had a family gathering. We had a curry and had a bit of a laugh, and we all said that she actually looked like she was getting better. Well, it was the healthiest we'd seen her for a while. And then on the Wednesday, that's when it all started falling apart for me, where I had the 2 policemen turn up on my doorstep. DVT was never mentioned once, and if I'd have known what I know now, obviously I would have been forcing the issue. But if he'd have had a tick list or something, you know, just to say, right, I better get this checked out, obviously she would still be with us today. If they've got the symptoms or anything, by just going to the hospital and asking the medical people, just check it out please, you know, it could save their life basically.